Hey guys, this is a oil pastel piece I did in my previous video with traditional oil pastels. Link in the description. After I did this piece, I decided to do another video where I compare this traditional piece with digital oil pastels. So let's get right into it. And there you have it, guys. We are done. Oil pastel compared to the digital pastel. Let me know in the description what you guys thought. Hit me with a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Let's attack that algorithm. Any feedback will be appreciated. So until next time, y'all guys be good and be safe. Peace.